Today, we're taking a look at the Artvatar app available in Canva. This app transforms your image into a painting-style avatar, and it's a fun way to add a creative touch to your photos. To begin, upload an image. You can either choose one from your Uploads folder or find a photo in the Photos section of Apps. Once the image is on your Canva workspace, the first step is to remove the background. With your image selected, go to the Edit toolbar and click the Edit button to open Magic Studio in the Image drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can use the Background Remover button in the toolbar. After the background is removed, head over to the left toolbar and click on the Apps icon. In the search bar, type Artvatar and select the Artvatar icon when it appears. Once Artvatar opens, you'll see a drop-down with the available tools. Choose your image and click the purple button to start the transformation process. This might take a moment, but once it's ready, you'll see your new art style image. My image, for example, had a plain background, but Artvatar added a cool, Scream-like style background. You can leave it as is, or if you want, you can remove the generated background and replace it with something simpler. To do this, click the Background Remover button again. Then, search through your Uploads folder or the Elements section to find a background you'd like to use. I've got one saved in my Uploads folder. Drag your new background onto the canvas. With the image selected, click on the Position button in the Edit toolbar, and from the drop-down menu, choose Layers. Then, click and drag the image to position it below the headshot. And there you have it. Your new image is complete. Of course, feel free to add any other elements to your design. Artvatar is a quick, simple app that turns any image into a watercolor-style masterpiece. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.